Question basic language is used. Answer to teaching simple language. Next question, which type of memory is most closely connected to the processor? Answer, main memory. Next question, dash is the name of a computer network limited to a college campus. Answer, campus area network. Next question, which key is used to increase the font size in the document? Answer, control plus shift plus slash left. Question 2. Save an existing file with a new name or on a new location. You should use dash command. Answer, save as. Next question. COBOL language is used. Answer, in business. Next question. Which is an example of a connectivity? Answer, internet. Next question. Which part of a CPU access and decides? Answer, arithmetical logical unit. Question. Dash is the full name of modem. Answer, modulator, demodulator. Next question. Dash typed characters are an appearance. Answer, format. Next question. To print a document, press dash then press enter. Answer, press Ctrl plus P. Next question. Programs specially designed to address general purpose applications and special purpose applications are called. Answer, operating system. Next question. Those different physically part of the computer which can be touched or seen are called. Answer, it is called hardware. Next question. Arrangement of information in the form of row and column is called. Answer, table. Next question. Which device allows your computer to talk to another on the telephone and access the internet? Answer, it is called modem. Next question. What is the work of the assembler? Answer, converting assembly language to machine language. Question. What is the smallest unit to store data in Windows operating system? Answer, file. Next question. What is the permanent memory built in your computer called? Answer, ROM. Next question. And electronic device that processes data by converting it into information is called. Answer, processor. Next question. Which key is pressed whenever a command or information is entered? Answer, return या enter. Next question. The dash is a named location on the disk in which the files are stored. Answer, folder. Next question. What is the most important part of the computer? Answer, CPU. Next question. A device that converts data into impulse and transmits them from terminal to computer and from computer to terminal over telephone line. Answer, modem. Next question. That part of the computer which we can only see and work on is called. Answer, software. Question. What is the most important part of computer hardware? Answer, CPU. Next question. What is the full form of CPU? Answer, central processing unit. Next question. To double underline the text, dash is used. Answer, control plus shift plus D. Next question. What happens when you highlight the text and click copy from the edit menu? Answer, the text will be copied from the document and placed on the clipboard. Next question. Which of these is a scientific computer language? Answer, Fortran. Next question. The specific field of a record which uniquely identify each record is called. Answer, key field. Next question. Which button is pressed to go to the previous slide in the slide show view? Answer, page up key. Next question. While typing on PC, a key called dash has to be pressed to leave space between two words. Answer, it is called spacebar.